Up on the roof, nice beautiful day out today. Cleaning or marking the spots here for the outer two brackets for my rails. Pre-drilled, pre-threaded, of course cleaned with glass cleaner and a rag or whatever to clean the dirt off the roof, or we put a little silicone on there, and I'll put the bracket up next. I got the two brackets placed, and I got this orange line string running to make sure that I get all my brackets in line. Just kind of did the silicone, made a little dam of silicone around there. It's probably unnecessary, but better to be safe than sorry there for water runoff. This is kind of a rundown of how these brackets look. Got a washer, long leg screw that goes into the purlin, and then a washer there, and then these ridges here help lock into the rails. You'll see in a little bit here. Got this rail finished up here right before sundown. Just got 3 more to go. All the brackets are currently installed. Just got to put the rest of the rails up and then run my box for my DC PV wire and put the panels on. All of you following along at home, rails are now installed. Little extra on that one, the first one there to house the PV disconnect box. And these outer ones, this one and that one, are a little higher than the third and first one there, just so it gives me a little bit more angle for the sun.